What's going on, folks? So just going to show you today how to take this air filter out of your Harley Sportster. So yeah, first thing is these Allen bolts here, 2 of them, and one's a bit big. Just got to find the right Allen key. These are quite tight, but so find the right Allen key and pop them out. I'm going to try aftermarket air filter soon, like a stage 1 kind of thing, I think they call it. And these two just hold the cover on. This part just comes off. And be careful not to lose these bushing and washer. I just sit that in there, and then for this one here, I've just got bolts, but some of them have Torx bits, I think. Torx bolts, whatever, but yeah, just find the right size. It seems to be different on different bikes, but different Sportster models and stuff, but yeah, it's just a matter of taking these bolts out. Now, so I'll do that. And yeah, so yeah, now just going to put it back on, just reverse what you did pretty much, but chuck these bolts back in. I don't put Loctite or anything, but you might want to. Kind of keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't start to come loose, and just going to torque them down. If you're taking yours out to clean it too, I just did mine with like soapy water and then just let it dry. This is a dry type filter, so you don't have to oil it or anything, but some of them I think you do, so I want to check that out. And this here goes on, it's got an arrow as you can see, show you what way it goes up. And yeah, so for these, just cover these bolts in, and one of these has already got a bushing, and so the bushing is kind of, this side goes this way, so it should be facing towards you, and then these washers, you kind of have to thread them on. So I guess that kind of works, like holds it on. It's kind of like lock washers, I think they might be called. Stops it coming loose. And then we just got to line it up and line these bolts up, screw it back on. Could be a better way to do this, to be honest, but it seems to work. There we go. Done.